I want to show you a method to determine where the market is most likely to go today. Let's call this video "Where will the market go today?" For this, I use a Fibonacci tool with those settings 0, 0.5 and 1. This helps me to determine the middle line, which is exactly 50% of the range. And how do we use it to determine where the market is most likely to go? Let me draw an example for you. Let's say the market is moving like this. We take Fibonacci with those settings, mark the last low and last high, and get 50% level. It's very simple. When we are in the red zone, this is the premium zone. For here, we only sell to the 50% level. As soon as we reach 50% level, we buy. I think it's very simple and clear. When a new impulse breaks the preview high or low, we mark it the same way. Here we sell to the 50% level, and from the 50% level we buy. Let me show you a few examples on real chart. Right now we are looking at the GBP/JPY currency pair. If we take and mark this impulse on the chart, let's say we open the chart in the morning and see that the price is here, we sell all day to the 50% level. As soon as the price reach 50% level, we look for buys. Today, tomorrow, we look for buys. As soon as the market breaks the preview high, in this case, we mark the new impulse accordingly. And what do we do next? We wake up in the morning, see that the chart is here and look for sells. As soon as the price reaches the 50% level, this is the most favorable price to buy, so we look for buys. And here we see that we've got a buy and we reached our target. Now we have a new impulse. Again, we sell here and the price clearly reached the 50% level where we buy. As you can see, those levels work very accurately and reliably predict. You can use them in your trading. In this case, we see that the last low is here and the last high is here. We mark them. We see that the price reached the 50% level and here we take buys. One more example, everything is very precise. We see that the last high was broken. We mark the last impulse using Fibonacci tool. Here we look for sells. As soon as the price reached the 50% level, we buy. Look at how accurately it works. You can use the replay tool and check historical data to see how well this method works. Use it as filter on the 4-hour time frame alongside your main strategy. This is part of our strategy we trade in our trading community to determine market direction. You can also use it and it does not matter what strategy you have. You will know the likely direction of the market today and make decision on lower time frame accordingly. One last example. We see that the price is now in the discount zone. On Monday, when the market opens, I will definitely be looking for buys. Yes, the market can't always move in one direction, so there will inevitably be breakouts. And if, for example, the price goes lower, we mark the last impulse downward, buy up to 50% level and sell from it. It's very simple. So let me show you a sum of my trades so you can understand how I use it in my trading. As you can see, in this example, we have an impulse. And during the London session, there was a confirmation entry on the 15 minutes time frame. I entered the trade here. In this case, our target was the last high because there was an uptrend and we decided to wait for liquidity to be taken from this high. But in any case, as soon as the price reached 50% level, we moved the trade to break even because most likely the price would continue to move in the direction of the trend. Next, we see that there were many such impulses. You see how well they played out. Then there was another impulse here, but unfortunately not every impulse gives an opportunity to trade on a lower time frame. In this particular case, we had no confirmation for entry on lower time frame. The 4-hour time frame is only a filter for us, showing the direction we trade. So it's normal that there are no trades every day. If you have a good strategy, you will have rare but very precise trades. Here we see another impulse. As you can see, it worked very well up to the 50% level and even higher. Another impulse here. If you pay attention between those two trades, there were many impulses that worked out, but unfortunately there was no trade setup, so we skip them. Here you see a very good trade that continued the downtrend. It could have been traded with risk-reward ratio 1:12, but we decided to close the trade at 50% level. Another trade. As you can see, trades are quick rear, but those are very precise. So you can use this method as filter for your strategy. I'm sure it will increase the win rate of your trades. It's very simple. Use Fibonacci tool, Set it up as I showed you in this video, mark the last high and low, find the levels, and determine where the market is most likely to go today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was really useful for you and will help you in your trading. Be sure to subscribe to our Telegram channel. There you'll find a lot of useful information for traders that will help you to grow in this industry. The link is in the description. We also have a private trading community. We have a chat room where we trade, discuss the market, and grow together. So if you want to improve, be sure to join. The link is also in the description. See you next time.